Hello. I don't know if this thing's recording my voice also, but I just wanted to do some videos. This is my first video, and I decided to play Angry Birds. I mean, it was kind of random, but I had already played this before. It was my mistake. But it's just that I couldn't find handy screen recorders, I mean. So I just played it before I just recorded. So we're just gonna play some this. I'm so sorry. I already played, but I just I couldn't find any screen recorders. I'm so thankful to the people who made this. I already downloaded it right now. It's not that hard to download. Okay, I have an idea. If it's not, I'm not gonna be that happy. Alright. Yep. I'll just use this. That's not stupid. Oh my. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I have no idea what I am doing. Okay, now we get to killing these guys. Thanks to our airstrike. Man, mine gonna get a 2-star. Oh, well, at least you did it, right? Wait, let me check something. Okay. I guess I almost got 100. Get out of here, Desert. You don't want your... Oh my god. You don't want you here. I just want my space boobs. Okay, space boobs, help me. 3-star. Hey, what the heck? Oh my god, those darn bastards. I forgot you have to kill those also. I always forget about those. Every time. Oh my god. Should have done this. Oh, I'm gonna restart. Okay, space boobs. Let's do this. This time I got that guy. Okay. Yeah. That's how we do it here. Oh my god, these ads are driving me crazy. I know what to do. God, I missed. I need Han Solo if I want a 3-star. Maybe shoot that guy. Oh, that didn't work. I guess I'm not looking for 3-star. Okay, now I am because I got pissed. Oh my god, this is like... Oh, I know what to do. Han Solo. Hey, one more Han Solo. Got that. We have 2 of them now. Maybe it's possible. Oh my god, I was gonna hit that little... Oh! Okay, whatever. Okay, space boots, don't fail me. Oh god. Yo, oh god. At least you did it. Hurry up. Oh yeah, video. God damn. Well, I guess it's the first episode. Oh god. We won't use Chewbacca until next episode. Yo, that was kind of fun for me. I don't know about you. For now, I just